Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and welcome to today's video, which is on my favorite planters for pollinators. And actually there's a little hummingbird that's buzzing around me, but they have been all over these planters this year and it's been so great. I wanted to share with you how easy these containers are and their favorites and my favorites in these metal containers here, these metal boxes that are out on my back patio. So, love to sit in these two Adirondack chairs here and watch the pollinators. It's funny, I have quite a few hummingbird feeders in my yard, but this is their favorite spot. And I'm going to tell you why. So, salvia, this is what they're after. And typically I buy this little salvia here. So these are annuals. I'm in zone 6B. These are full sun containers here, very well drained. One of the things I love about containers is you can control the soil quality and drainage in them. But I'm trying these two different salvia varieties right here, and I'm going to show you what they are. But the hummingbirds love the purple color, and they also love tubular flowers. So I'm also going to give you a close-up, but I want to share the varieties with you. So I have the tags in my pocket. I'm going to hang on to these for next year because these are a definite for me. So you can see the taller one over here on the end is Rockin' Blue suede shoes. And then I also have another one here that is called Unplugged Pink. And I'm going to bring you down to the end here. So what I have are the two end containers, there's 3 total, that both have the salvia and a little bit of petunias in them. So this right here is the Unplugged Pink. We're getting towards the end of the season, but I just had to show you these. And then let me get out the tag for these gorgeous petunias that look so well with the salvia, and they're called Crazy Tunia Blue Ice. So I have to be honest, this container here is part sun. But you can see that it's doing just as well, the petunias here are doing even better, as the end container down here. And I have the Crazy Tunia Blue Ice scattered in the middle container too for some continuity. So the other plant, and I love this color combination, that's done so well in these containers, probably not as much of a favorite as the salvia, but look at these dahlias. So I had these anemone style dahlias in my front garden last year and they really just didn't wow me. So they're a little bit shorter. They're called Totally Tangerine, but they are wowing me in this container this year. So I'm out here tonight just doing a quick little cleanup. And I also want to let you know what an easy care combination this has been for me. So because they're containers, you do need to water them daily unless you're going to get some rain. So I do make sure that I come out and check them. But also you want to make sure that you deadhead them. And that's not only going to help them looking their best, but also it's going to promote more flowers. So that's what we want to do. So I just wanted to show you quick how I'm going to deadhead the flowers here. And let me see, I have my little snips here. So for the dahlias, all we need to do, so we're looking for the spent blooms, is I just cut them way back. Of course, we're going to do our 45-degree angle to some healthy leaves. Just going to do this quick, give them a quick little cleanup. Because honestly, I want to keep these going as long as I possibly can. So this is one of the ways that I've kept them covered in blooms. But I also want to tell you a little side note. So you may have seen my videos on planting my dahlias in the garden for vole protection. So I plant them in containers if you haven't seen that. But having them in these boxes here or having your dahlias in containers right on the patio is even better to deter the voles, right? So we've protected them here as well. So just another added bonus. So over here in my salvia, I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm just going to, at a 45-degree angle with my clean snips, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the stem back to some healthy leaves. And you can see here how there's already some new growth. So the little hummingbirds, they come all times of the day, and they'll come so close to us because they love these so much. So I really just wanted to share that with you. The last note is I will give them a little bit of fertilizer once a week, or let's be honest, there's a lot of gardening tasks here every other week. So that's it, folks. So enjoy, highly recommend. I'm probably going to plant this combination next year as well. So thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for many more gardening videos.